This is the walkthrough of 1208 North Oneida Street, the lower apartment unit. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. This is the entry. As you can see, the hardwood floors have been completely refinished, and early 1900s maple inlay. Staircase here is ended here to separate for the upper unit, but you do have a little sitting area here and new windows. All right, this is the door where you would enter if you entered from the side driveway. Side door entry, come in the hallway, newly tiled. And then you'd enter the lower unit here. Coming into the living room, again, incredible maple inlay. Electric outlets up on the walls in case TV mounts are needed. All the ceiling fans are Hunter with light kits. Again, a wall-mounted up high outlet for TV mount. And this is bedroom number 1. Incredible 3-dimensional inlay here. And we have a few touch-up things to do yet, but we're in the final stages. Here's the closet. Very generous 36-inch door, double hanging racks. This is bedroom number 2. Again, featuring some pretty incredible hardwood maple inlay. Also, we have some work to do on these doors. They're pocket doors. They're incredible. They need to be readjusted and balanced. Here's the closet. Again, very generous closet, generous door, and double hanging racks, and a shelf up top. This room has a half a bath, and we'll get some oil on that hinge. A nice little sink, heated tile floor, controlled by the thermostat here, programmable. Sconce light. And this door goes out the back through a ramp decking, and you can access the garage from the back door. And here's the kitchen. And again, we have a few things to do yet. Clean off the sawdust off the range. Granite countertops, new cabinets, self-closing hinges, gas range, stainless steel, over the range microwave, stainless dishwasher, deep farm sink, single handle faucet, soap pumper on the side. large refrigerator, ice and water in the door, and a fully configured pantry. Hanging rack here, pantry racks here, and holders for your brooms and mops and such cleaning items as that. Digital thermostat. The lower unit has central air conditioning and a gas furnace and a gas hot water heater. The washer and dryer is also, the dryer is also gas. And this is the front door, looking out onto Oneida Street and Wisconsin Avenue.